quickly move into this kind of like maintenance follow-up period, maybe after 3 to 6 months, depending on how complicated the tasks are, where you're just being a project manager for your virtual assistant. How can I help you? What kind of things can I knock down for you? What kind of obstacles can I get out of your way? And then you may build in some less important tasks once you've built the main ones. You know, it becomes a maintenance period. Number 11, the maintenance period. You're continuing to follow up on tasks. You're making sure those things become even before you start trying to grow and add extra layers of those tasks or more detailed tasks. You know, get the big 80% of your day handed over to the virtual assistant, and then maybe some of those other 20% type of items, those other high priority but maybe more difficult and more time consuming items, you can start to train her on those. After a while, I added in video editing. You know, my virtual assistant edits all my videos. There were other more complicated tasks we added along the way. And that goes into our next video.